we need the best WordPress page builder for a fast website. Hey, it's Ozzy here, continuing with the WordPress speed optimization series. Make sure you check out the rest of the videos in this playlist, as each video is an optimization tip that can help you speed up your WordPress website. Now, a page builder is optional. You may get all you need from your theme, in which case that's great. It means there's going to be less code, less bloat, which can make for a faster WordPress website. But if you're like the rest of us and you like to use a page builder, then you need to make sure you have the best WordPress page builder you can get your hands on if you want your website to stay fast. Now, there are a handful of really good page builders, and deciding which page builder is better is actually quite objective. It really depends on you. However, there are good page builders and there are not so good page builders. So in this video, I'm going to mention the ones that I recommend, as well as the ones that I think may be good when it comes to WordPress speed optimization. Now, the page builder that I use is Elementor. It's lightweight, it's very well coded, and it's very intuitive to use for me. I did used to use Beaver Builder before Elementor came along, and I still have Beaver Builder on some websites. I did try Thrive Architect at one point. I didn't really take to that page builder. To me, it wasn't intuitive, but I know it has a strong user base and it works very well for some people. I also know one fellow blogger at least that uses it and swears by it. Two other page builders that I hear a lot of good things about are Breezy and Divi. I haven't tried either of them, and the reason is that I really like Elementor, so much so that I don't feel I need to switch. But I said that about hosting many years ago, and I've gone through more than a dozen hosts, so you never know. Now, you may be using a page builder that I haven't mentioned in this video. If you are and you think it's good, then please pop it into the comments. That way we can all see it and we can all benefit from your experience. The bottom line when it comes to WordPress speed optimization is to be as light as possible. So using a page builder in a way contradicts this. However, page builders are very useful. I like them. So there's a compromise there. The best thing we can do is to find a decent page builder that we like to work with, but one that is also very well coded and lightweight, or as lightweight as possible, in order to reduce that footprint and help us keep our WordPress websites as fast as we can. Okay, so that brings us to the next video, which is on your screen right now. Click it and I'll see you in there.